If you think all of Naples is like Quartieri Spagnoli, it's not. Naples is many things, and one of them is a city of captivating flair. Here, in Galleria Umberto I, you'll find a mix of style, fashion, and food, and inevitably, wine. Campania Wine is an event for real wine enthusiasts, where they showcase the best grown in the area. Some of this goodness grows right on a volcano, and not just any volcano, one of the most fascinating volcanoes in the world, Vesuvius.
The name is really easy because my surname is Setaro, and that is really my house, the house where I live. Upstairs is the bedroom, and downstairs is my work. My work is not really a work, it's first of all a passion.
Massimo's vines grow on a volcano, and that means that the soil composition here is remarkable. Think of their lava as an incomparable source of minerals that give these wines a distinctive patchwork of hints. Massimo has a one-track goal for his wines, to capture all that in glass.
To me, the identity of my wines is most important.
Massimo knows every piece of rock in his vineyard, and by looking at the color, he knows exactly what its composition is and when it has erupted.
(1944), the last eruption of Vesuvio. We had the last stratification of lapilli, black lava. This is the lava of 1906. Vedi, qui abbiamo una colata lavica, si vede da questo punto che scende giù, e ha creato di fatti una lingua nel terreno dove non c'è vegetazione. Welcome to the old cellar.
The old cellar was built in 1819, and it has seen it all. At one point during the World War II, it was even used as a shelter from bombing.
The stairs are made in lavic stone. Alex, the wine dog.
But it's not only vines that thrive at the foothills of Vesuvius. It's here where they grow some of the tastiest veggies in Italy.
We have our eggplants, our tomatoes, and our zucchini that we cultivate in volcanic soil. Are very sweet because this land is very rich of potassium, and this product is made by 100% indigenous grapes named Capretone. In the almond note that you find in these products, I invite you to drink for create the link with the person in the same tables, and maybe for speak about the truth after to drink some glass more, no? And this is a secret of these wines, because you can drink, but it's not heavy on your palate, but we just to suggest to stay together.
Got it.
we have discovered the real sequence of the Pliniana eruption.
These eruptions killed and destroyed, but they also protected numerous works of art, objects, and architecture. Originally, it was thought only Pompeii and Herculaneum were destroyed, but the scientists have discovered other settlements covered by lava, and the level of their preservation is fascinating.
Guys, this zucchini, this is just something else.
Vineyard White, we have 3 indigenous grapes. Are 80% Capitone, 10% Falangina, 10% Greco. If you like more complex, full body white, is aperitif more large, this is very indicated because when you have some product with a more spicy, is more have the good character, you need a wine with the same character. We have the time 1 p.m. 24 October 79 after Christ.
This is when the eruption has started. It ejected molten rock, pumice, and ash some 20 miles in the air and lasted for 2 days. The experts did excavations on this very spot in Giuseppe's vineyard and uncovered the complete stratification and can even tell you with precision what rock fell on the ground at what time.
It's very, very light. It's like the plastic, but is original.
It's like styrofoam. It's like cork.
Now we go to testing one of the most important and elegant wine of our family. Frupa, what means fructi, papilla, is the fruit of a butterfly. This is Piedi Rosso, aging more than 5-6 years old. When you drink this Piedi Rosso, you find always the note very fresh, young, but is a very complex wine. And today we compare with the tomato sauce with our spaghetti with the tomatoes, pomodoro del Piedmont. It's a very elegant but not aggressive wine.
On a regular day, you can see the entire Gulf of Naples from Vesuvius. But on a rainy day like this,
And that's the view of Naples.